Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Kenmore Filter 9081 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining the pristine quality of your drinking water, ensuring that every glass you pour is free from impurities and tastes refreshingly clean, making it a crucial investment for any household prioritizing health and well-being. Number 5. Waterdrop WD F08 Refrigerator Water Filter. Introducing the Waterdrop WD F08, a refrigerator water filter replacement that offers certified purity. It combines excellent filtration performance with essential NSF 42 and NSF 372 certifications for your peace of mind. Experience comprehensive, 360 degrees protection. Every component and the entire filter cartridge are certified by NSF 42 and 372, ensuring all-around defense against harmful impurities. This filter features a significant upgrade with 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon. Its 2x larger surface area and more micropores effectively improve the taste of your water, surpassing less efficient charcoal filters. Your safety is our priority. This refrigerator filter is constructed with BPA-free and food-grade materials, verified lead-free by NSF 372 certification. We believe everyone deserves pure water. A portion of your purchase helps provide clean water to children in water-scarce regions in Africa, making a difference with every filter. Never guess when to replace your filter again. Complimentary month installation stickers are included to easily track its lifespan, ensuring you always have pure water for up to 300 gallons or 6 months. What we like. This filter offers comprehensive NSF certifications for your peace of mind. It uses a superior coconut shell carbon block for better taste and filtration. If you're looking for a certified and effective filter with a bonus for tracking replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. Fit was good, water tastes normal, and I have not noticed any drop in performance. Easy to insert and remove. Works well for our KitchenAid model. The installation is so easy, this brand is identical to the higher-priced brands and do the same job. I always have clean even water flow. I believe they last just as long as any other brand I have used in the past. Number 4. Waterdrop WD F08 Refrigerator Water Filter. Introducing the Waterdrop WD F08 Refrigerator Water Filter. It offers excellent filtration performance with key certifications like NSF 42 and NSF 372. Our filter is comprehensively certified by NSF 42 and 372. Ensuring all-round protection from harmful impurities in every component. Enjoy a perfect fit without leaks, thanks to advanced precision technology. Installation is simple and requires no tools, taking only minutes. Experience improved water taste with our top-notch filter material. It features a 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block with double the surface area for superior filtration. Never guess when to replace your filter again. Complimentary month install stickers help you track its lifespan, ensuring you always have pure water for up to 6 months. Your safety is our priority. This filter is made with BPA-free and food-grade materials, certified lead-free by NSF 372. We believe everyone deserves pure water. A portion of your purchase helps provide clean drinking water to children in water-scarce regions. What we like. This option boasts a perfect fit design, ensuring no leaks and an easy, tool-free installation. It also features a high-quality coconut shell carbon block for excellent filtration. If you prioritize a hassle-free installation and a secure fit, this filter is ideal for you. What people say. Fit was good, water tastes normal, and I have not noticed any drop in performance. Easy to insert and remove. Works well for our KitchenAid model. The installation is so easy, this brand is identical to the higher-priced brands and do the same job. I always have clean even water flow. I believe they last just as long as any other brand I have used in the past. Number 3. Waterdrop EDR1 RXD1 Refrigerator Water Filter 3-pack. Are you looking for a way to improve your drinking water? This filter effectively removes harmful contaminants like heavy metals and chlorine, ensuring you have clean water every day. While it removes impurities, it wisely keeps essential minerals in your water. This ensures your body gets the nutrients it needs to function optimally. This replacement filter offers top-notch performance and holds important certifications from NSF 42 and NSF 372. It's an affordable way to get the best filtration. experience a significant upgrade from less efficient filters. Its advanced coconut shell carbon block has a larger surface area for superior impurity removal. Worry less about leaks. Designed with precision, it ensures a secure fit just like the original, providing peace of mind with every use. Installation is a breeze. You won't need any tools. Simply follow the provided guidelines, and you'll have it installed in minutes. What we like. This filter excels at removing a broad spectrum of contaminants while keeping essential minerals in your water. It also offers a precise fit for your refrigerator. If your main concern is comprehensive impurity removal without sacrificing water's health benefits, consider this option. What people say. These fit perfect and are a fraction of the cost. The water taste is just as good as the regular filter. They seem to last a long time. Water flows just fine and it is pretty easy to put in. This is great set of filters that are fairly priced for our fridge. It fixed our ice dispensing and water dispensing immediately after we replaced it. We have very hard water and these make the water so much better to drink. Number 2. W10295370A Water Filter Replacement 2-Pack. Installing your new filter is a breeze. No special tools are needed, and it connects directly, eliminating any worries about leaks. For the best results, we recommend flushing about 4 gallons of water through the filter. Remember to replace it every 6 months or after filtering 200 gallons. This replacement filter is certified by NSF International. It features a superior coconut shell carbon block, ensuring both affordability and high efficiency. Designed to be compatible with a wide range of models, including Whirlpool and Waterdrop Filter 1. Check the list to ensure it's the perfect fit for your appliance. We offer a 60-day guarantee for your peace of mind. If you're not satisfied, you can get a refund or replacement without the hassle of returning the filter. Enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water with our advanced coconut shell carbon block. It effectively reduces impurities for your family's health. What we like. This filter provides certified efficiency at an affordable price, featuring a high-quality coconut shell carbon block. Plus, it comes with a 60-day hassle-free service guarantee. If you're seeking a cost-effective solution with strong customer support, this is the one to pick. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes odors and improves water taste. The filter lasts for a long time, providing great value. Number 1. W10295370A Water Filter Replacement. Installing your new filter is a breeze. No special tools are needed, and it connects directly, preventing any leaks. For optimal performance, we recommend draining about 4 gallons of water. Replace it every 6 months or after filtering 200 gallons. This replacement filter offers great value and performance. It's made with superior coconut shell carbon and is NSF 42 certified. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. We offer a 60-day guarantee for a refund or replacement, no return needed. Contact us with any questions for quick assistance. What we like. Get great value with this 3-pack option, offering easy installation and NSF 42 certification. It utilizes a superior coconut shell carbon block for effective filtration. If you're looking to stock up on reliable filters at a good price, this multi-pack is a smart choice. What people say. These filters worked perfectly right out of the box, fitting flawlessly into my refrigerator without any leaks or installation issues. The quality, water flow, and durability are indistinguishable, not to mention the water tastes clean and crisp. Easy to install and perfect replacement. No leakage and very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.